In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader in 2025. Whether you're working on important documents for your workplace, adjusting academic material, or simply rearranging personal files, the ability to effectively edit PDFs can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and simplify the process together. First and foremost, open the PDF document you wish to edit in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure you have the latest version of Acrobat Reader, as software updates often come with enhanced features and improved user interfaces, making your editing experience as smooth as possible. Once you have your document open, you'll be ready to start the editing process. Next, direct your attention to the global toolbar at the top of your window. Look for the Edit button and click on it. This will activate the editing tools, providing you access to a variety of options that will allow you to modify your PDF as needed. The toolbar is where all the magic happens, equipping you to make the changes you require. Once you have entered the editing mode, you will see a range of tools at your disposal. Perhaps you need to add new text or modify existing text to update some information. This can be easily accomplished by selecting the text box tool, clicking where you'd like to make the changes, and entering your desired text. Similarly, editing the font size, style, and color according to your preferences is straightforward with the options provided. Additionally, images within the PDF can also be adjusted. If you need to resize, move, or replace an image, simply click on it to reveal image editing handles. These allow you to drag and adjust the image seamlessly, ensuring it fits your document perfectly without compromising on aesthetics or layout. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and you're satisfied with the changes, the final and crucial step is to save your modified document. Navigate to the File menu and select Save. It's always a good practice to either save the edited file under a new name or in a separate location to preserve the original document as a backup or reference. This can save you from potential mishaps if further changes need to be made at a later date. And there you have it, folks. Editing a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader 2025 is really that straightforward. With a few clicks and tweaks, you can have your documents looking exactly how you need them to. Practice these steps a few times and soon enough you'll be editing PDFs like a pro with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.